Aloha class. Today I added colors to my website through CSS. I'm going to show you first how we go about doing that in CSS, and then I will go ahead and show you a little bit more on my website and what it looks like in the browser. So first off, we have our our HTML right here. We also have our CSS that we have as well. So what we want to do with the colors is we want to put it in CSS. First off, we pick the colors and the codes that we want for the colors. And what I've done here is I put it in as a comment. That way it doesn't show up on our page, but we have access to the colors right here. So what we'll do is I'll just show you some of the areas. So let's see. For example, here, if we go down into the navigation bar, for our link, also for our hover color, we have a color here. Visited. Visited is just kind of like when you click on a link. Some go from blue to pink. It's kind of like that, changes the color. Active, we put the color in for here. Let's see, as I scroll down, there's some more colors for another link, another hover, visited, again, active. And then in the content as well, so for our articles and also for our topic, my topic and my subtopic, I have colors picked out for those as well. As well as the background for the boxes for the tutorials and also for the pull quote, as well as the footer. I have my colors picked out for that. So what we do is we just stick it in here. We input it in here, so that when we go to our page like we have here, where we go to byuhidd/IDD315, and then this is my page, so COLORcss. If we look here, we have the header. We have these subtopics up here that have changed color. Make those a little yellow. I'm gonna change those because I changed the color a little bit for this assignment, but it's too light. It's too hard to see on this white background, so it's not very user friendly. It's the contrast. I'm not using it very well in this, so it's good to trial and error just so that you can learn. But yeah, this isn't working for me. So up here, I've changed these header topics to color, or to orange. And as I scroll over color here, this is the hover color that I was talking about. Change that to yellow, so that way when you scroll your mouse over, you can tell it's actually being hovered over. Again, as I scroll down the topic, I changed that color. Also the subheading, changed that color, as well as the colors for the boxes that are our thumbnails, as well as our pull quote is in. Then if we scroll all the way down, you can see here how I have the footer that's also been colored. And yeah, obviously we learned a lot in the beginning chapters of design, how to put colors together, and how to use colors to create hierarchy and contrast. I feel like as of right now, I feel like all the colors complement each other and work well. The only complaint that I have about my own page, and I'm gonna fix that up in the future, is right down in here how we have these yellow, how they're yellow. They need to just be a little bit darker so that they contrast a little bit with the background. But other than that, I feel like my web page is coming out good, and I hope that as you implement colors into your page that you will do good as well. Alright, thank you.